Good day everyone. So today, I am going to discuss all about visualization of percentage. But first, let's know what percent or percentage means. Per or for each cent means 100. So it means that for each 100 or it can be for every 100. Another definition to better understand what percentage or percent means is, it is the amount, number, or rate of something regarded as part of a total of 100, a part of a whole. So it can be an amount, a number, or a rate that can be regarded as part of 100. As what I have said a while ago, for each 100, for every 100, percent is all about a number or an amount of something that can be regarded as part of 100, a part of a whole. This is the percentage symbol. A percent is a fraction. So, a percent is a fraction. Actually, a percent is a special fraction that has a 100 as a bottom number. So, it means that percent is a special fraction. A special fraction that has a denominator of 100. It is simply means it can be converted to fraction. So, percent or percentage of something or a number can be converted to a fraction. Let's say for example, we have here 15%. 15% meaning 15 over a 100. Or this, 15 over 100. 25% meaning 25 over 100 or 25 over 100. Here's an interesting percent, 0%. Can we have 0%? Yes, 0% means 0 over 100 or 0 over 100. What about 100%? Yes, we can also have 100. 100 over 100 or 100 over 100. But can we have 126%? Yes, we can also have 126%. It means that 126 over 100 or it is an improper fraction for fraction. 126 over 100. We can also convert it to decimal with the help of fraction. Example, we have to rewrite 15% to fraction form or 15 over 100. And also in decimal form, 0.15. So how do we get 0.15 as a decimal? Here's an amazing trick for doing it. First is to present a number in a percent form. Let's say for example we have 35 as a number. So we have to present it in a percent form. 35%. Next is to imagine where the decimal point should be. So we have to imagine or to look for the decimal point where it should be. 35%. It is shown right in the ones place. So here it is shown at the ones place. Then move it 2 number places away from percent symbol. So we have to move it 2 number places away from percent symbol. So starting here, 1, 2. Once moved, then erase percent sign because we don't have a percent anymore. So once we move it in 2 number places, we have to remove the percent sign or the percentage symbol in order to get the decimal form of a number. So we get 0.35. So we can rewrite percent in fraction form or in decimal form. So as what I have discussed, so we can convert percentage into fraction or decimal. So So let's say for example again, we have 25%. So the fraction form is 25 over 100. It is in a fraction form. In decimal form, we have 0.25. So again, I am going to discuss how do we get 0.25. First, we have to present it in a percent form, which is 25%. Second is to get or to know where the decimal point is. So the decimal point, it is between the number or the percent, or it is in the ones place. We have to move it 2 number places in order to get the decimal form. 1, 2. So the dot or the decimal point is here, 0.25. We can also present fraction and decimal to percent. Like for example, we have 12 over 100 is 12%. 0.10, that is 10%. So for a reverse, we can also present fraction or decimal into a percent. As what I have said, we have 12 over 100, it is 12%. 0.10, that is 10%. So let's come now on how to find a percent of a number. Example, Alan has 20 balls as an amount and he agreed to give 25% of it to his brother. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So Alan has 20 balls and he agreed to give the 25% of it to his brother. So how many is 25% of those balls? So how many is that 25% of these 20 balls? 25% of 20. Of means multiply or times. So we have 25% times 20. In this time, we were going to apply our prior discussion about converting percent to fraction form. Then it'll be 25 over 100 for prior discussion in converting percentage or percent into fraction form. So we have 25 over 100 times 20 over 1. First is to multiply top numbers, then multiply the bottom numbers. So we have to multiply the 25 times 20 first, then the second one to do is to multiply 10 times 1. So 25 times 20 or the top numbers is equals to 500. 100 times 1 is equals to 100. It is simplified as 5 over 1 or 5. So the answer is 5. How about decimal form? The procedure is the same. So in this example, the procedure is the same. 25% of 20 or 0.25 times 20, which is equals to 5. That's it. We just have to multiply the numbers in either fraction form or decimal form.